Hey Fantastics, welcome back to my channel. So Fantastics, as you guys can see on your screens, this is my new channel Farhana Nusrat, and this is a very special channel. You guys have been requesting me to make videos on how to make videos on YouTube, how to edit and how to make videos on your phone, and how, like, so many questions, like how you edit your videos on your phone and how you always edit your thumbnail on your phone, and like so many more questions. So this is a new channel where I am going to talk about all the techniques and all the strategies I use for my YouTube channel for free. You guys, this is not paid or anything like that. You just need to go and subscribe to my new channel, link in the description. और वहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस करने वाली हूँ एंड बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के वीडियोस लेके आने वाली हूँ मैं आपके लिए, all about YouTube and all reactions and like literally so many things. And I am also going to do so many food ASMRs and also some health and beauty stuff, so you don't want to miss that. And I am also going to be telling you how teenagers can make money and so many more interesting topics. So if you guys don't want to miss that, today after this video that channel will be premiered, so you guys can go from the first link in the description. And yeah guys, that's all. Now you guys can enjoy the video. हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस. एंड इन टुडेज वीडियो, एज यू गाइज हैव सीन बाय द टाइटल, आज मैं आप सबके लिए एक क्लियर स्लाइम बनाने वाली हूँ, एंड दैट टू विदाउट बोरॉक्स. This is also very thick and glossy clear slime, so it is not like normal clear slimes. It is like super thick, and it is going to be super glossy, and it is also going to be scented. So this is the main point of this video. So now Fantastics, without talking much, let's get started with today's video. So Fantastics, first we need a bowl and a spoon, and then we need some clear glue. So the clear glue that I am using today is this Yucky Science clear glue. So now I am going to just directly pour this into our bowl over here, and like this much. So now we are going to add one of the most important ingredient, which is baking soda. So this is how baking soda looks. Your mom probably has this in the kitchen, so just ask her about this baking soda. And I am adding like 2 chutkis of this, so like this much. Now let's mix our baking soda अच्छे से, so that our activator can actually work nicely. We don't need lumps of baking soda like this. Just make sure you guys mix it super nicely. So now Fantastics, we are going to add the hand soap like this one. So if you guys want to scent your slime like your clear slime, so you just cannot add any normal scented oil or essential oils into your slime. That will make your clear slime super foggy. So one of my favorite recipes is adding liquid hand wash with your favorite scent. So this is one of my favorite scents, and I am going to add this into our slime mixture. This will not fog your slime, and it will actually clear up even faster if you guys add this. And now it is going to be like super foggy, but guys, don't worry, it is going to turn crystal clear super soon if you guys add this to actually scent your slime rather than any essential oils. And yeah, this is how it looks. Now we have to mix it like super nicely. Just keep on mixing so that everything is mixed, the hand soap and baking soda as well. So the secret activator, which is not Borax surprisingly, is this, you guys can see that eye drops. So yeah, Fantastics, you guys can make slime with eye drops as well, and this works like an amazing activator. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys have eye drops at your home, and if you guys don't have, like, pharmacies are open 24/7, so you guys can get it like super fast. This is like super cheap, 20 to 25 rupees. So this should be super easy to get all over India as well. So now we are going to activate our slime using this. So you guys just see the magic. We are going to add it like this. And now we are starting to activate our slime. Can you guys see how fast it started activating? It will take a little bit longer to activate, but just keep on mixing. And just keep on folding your slime like this. It is activating itself. I'm not adding any more eye drops. And now it is activating. It will foam up like this since it has some, hand wash in it. But it will get clear like super soon. Don't worry about that. You can see it is activating gradually. We don't need our slime to be super stiff. Then it would take like a week to clear up, but if your slime is like this, it will clear up in 1 to 2 days, and that's great. So just fold it like this and keep on kneading it. Your slime will eventually come together. At this point, you don't need any activator. You guys can go on with your hands to start kneading this slime, but I like to knead it with like this spoon, so it is less sticky and less messy. So I will be doing like this. Let's fast forward. So when the slime is in this condition, then you guys can go on with your hands and start kneading this like that. And take it out and start kneading like this. Just get rid of any folds it has, and we need to just like this knead it with your power. Like, my hands are so tired already, but this is going to get like super nice and super clear. So I'm excited to show you guys that. You need to make sure that you also pop all the bubbles like this, otherwise it is going to shrink in size. So make sure you just remove all the bubbles like this. before putting it in an airtight container. Just remove everything like that. And just let it be for 10 to 15 seconds like this before putting it in an airtight container, so that it can rest a little bit, and I will be back. So fantastics, now we are going to add this into our container. So probably not a lot, but this much, as much as it can actually fit. It is going to shrink in the size as the air bubbles come out. So just push out as much slime as you can. So guys, this is how it looks right now, and now we will see how it looks. So in 2 days probably it will clear up. So yeah, let's see. So fantastics, as you guys can see, this is our slime after 2 days. It's still not clear, but it will get super clear, guys. You don't have to worry, it is like super clear as well. Now let's see and let's play with our slime. Let's take out our slime. Can you guys see how clear it is? Oh my god. As you guys can see, please guys ignore the background noises. This is our clear slime. It is super clear, and it is also super amazing to play with. Like, this is like literally amazing, you guys. Can you guys see how nice this? I'm only playing with one hand with this slime. This is like how, you know, handy it is and non-sticky it is. And also because मेरे left hand पे एक cut है, so I don't want slime there. So I am playing with only one hand. I hope you guys can see. This slime is like super amazing. As you guys can see, it is super clear as well. Yeah guys, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.